Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I'm Paige. I make college related videos, I make beauty tutorials, and I also make videos about anything that interests me. Today I want to bring you guys this video of me doing my small knotless braids. These took a long time, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you. Like, these took a while, and I didn't get to finish my hair all in one night because I got so tired and I had to be up early. So it took me over the course of like 2 days, around like 15 hours to get these braids done. These are some really small and really long butt length knotless braids, and the reason why I wanted knotless braids was because I just love how they look. So I really talked myself into spending all these hours doing my hair, and I don't even know how I found time because I have such a busy schedule, but I found time, I made time, you know, I pulled time out of thin air to do my hair. So I'm glad I did it because I really just love these braids, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. And I've been getting so many compliments about my hair. So yeah, it's good so far. And I won't be like touching my natural hair. I don't have to, you know, do anything to my natural hair for a minute, like at least for a month. I don't really keep my knotless braids in for over a month. The method that I use to do these knotless braids is the castor oil method. So what I did was I used a little bit of jam and I used a good amount of castor oil like at my root, and I also used the castor oil as like a moisturizer when I got done washing my hair. So y'all, I have a lot of castor oil in my hair right now, but I tried the castor oil method on my friend when I did her knotless braids, and she's actually the one who brought it to me. But I tried it on her hair and her hair just grew so much. So I wanted to see if, you know, the same thing will work on me, because this year I'm really trying to focus on like length retention and just growing my hair like past the growth plateau that I noticed for my hair. Like literally, y'all, my hair doesn't grow past like right here. So I'm trying to get my hair goal for this year is like at least like right here or like under my boob, which that's kind of like a stretch. I don't think my hair could grow that much in a year, but if I could get it like at like, you know, my bra cup, then that would be good. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. Like, it's just so crazy that I'm kind of building my channel back from when I deleted all my videos and YouTube deleted all my subscribers. But I don't want to talk too much, so let's get right into the video. All right guys, so like I said, it did take me over the course of 2 days to finish my hair. Do y'all see how straight this part came out? Like, I am so pleased with this. I'm using the Freetress 68-inch pre-stretched hair. The hair already comes about butt length, which I was so happy to see that they had this in the store. And I'm just going to use the Shine and Jam as well as some Jamaican black castor oil from Taliah Waajid to moisturize my scalp and hold my hair. And you already know that it's so hard getting those first braids in at the back, because you have to make sure that your head is at the perfect angle and that your hands are at the perfect angle, and that you're gripping the hair the right way. So I put about 3 pieces on each braid. I didn't want them too small, but some pieces were pretty uneven, so I added some extra hair just to make the braids a little bit thicker. And I added more Shine and Jam to the bottom as needed to flatten my natural hair so that it's not frizzing out of the braids, because the braids are very thin. So I wanted my hair to be as flat as possible. So that's why I added a good amount of jam to the ends. It literally took me all night. I started the first night around 8:30 and I didn't go to sleep until about 7:30 the next morning. And I only went to sleep because I had to be up for work that morning. But I was moving as fast as I could. I feel like I could have did my hair a little bit faster, but I don't know. I was watching Shark Tank, y'all, while I was doing my hair. I watched the entire first season of Shark Tank, and I just love that show so much. It gives me so much hope. Like, I don't know why, but it just gives me a lot of hope. The edges are always easier than the back and the middle because I have a better grip on the hair and I can make the parts straighter than I would be able to in the back or in the middle. Where my hair looks white, just know that it's gonna dry over time and it's gonna dry clear, so you won't be able to see the white where the jam is. So this was the second day and I was moving pretty fast this day, y'all. And I had a few rows in the back to finish, but when I got to the front, it was like heaven because, then I could make the parts more neater and I could also see what I was doing better. So it just went by like way faster. So this is the last braid, and as you can see, I have a little bit of heat damage right there, and that's because I had a sew-in and I was pressing my hair out, and so my hair is just straight as ever right now. So I cannot wait until my hair grows out so I could cut off that heat damage, and I'm never putting any heat on my hair again. And I also forgot to mention that I'm also doing a no heat year, so I want to limit the amount of heat that I put on my hair, so I did not blow dry my hair prior to putting these braids in. And this is the finished look, guys. Of course, off camera I dipped my ends and I trimmed the hair up, and I also oiled my scalp. This is the finished look. Super neat, and they should last me a while. Thank you guys so much for watching.